Okay, this is a topic everybody talks about, and how to move cakes, delivering them from one place to another, or how to package them up so that your clients can take them. I do it this way. A lot of people do it different ways, but I'm going to show you how I do it. I just use regular moving boxes because they're secure, you know, they're strong. I figured they can move all your household stuff, one out of cake from one place to another. The things to remember, this seam at the top, that should be at the top of the box. I don't think it would collapse, but you don't want to take any chances. So make sure that's up at the top so the weight of the cake isn't sitting on this section. When you fold the box flaps up like this, you don't want to do it this way first. You want this seam to be going this way so that when you put the cake board inside, this isn't going to open up and hit it. So I will use this cake as a demonstration. If that's sitting in here and this board tries to do anything to it, it's going to hit the cake board. It's not going to have this. If this is inside first, that can do this into your cake. And you don't want that to happen. So make sure that you do this first, and that way if it does get pressed in, the cake board here will stop it. Okay, so I tape the box up, put the cake in on one of these non-stick carpet pads, and that'll keep it from moving around inside the box. And then you close it up like this, close it here, and I'll show you how I have it taped on the other side. I was once moving one of these, and the whole box started to shift kind of diagonally, and it's because I only had it taped here. So now I tape it all the way over across the flap, and then I put one X here and one X here, and that'll give it the strength to stay in square, and the whole box won't shift this way. So as you're carrying a heavy wedding cake and the whole box is shifting, you're not sure what's going on inside the box. That's not good. So make sure that you secure it here, here, and here, and you should be good. This is an 18-inch cube, and that's generally big enough for a 3-tiered cake that is on a 16 or an 18-inch board. And if you have a 4-tiered cake, I delivered 2 tiers stacked, and the top 2 I would take in a separate container and assemble it on site, because it's a little heavy, number one, and the taller it gets, obviously, the more likely it is to fall over. And I don't deliver anything with the center dowel. Some people use the center dowel, but I don't do that. So 2 tiers or 3 tiers if it's a smaller cake. Make sure you tape it this way, and this way, and make sure the flaps are going on the right way on the inside of the box, and you should be fine.